Man, are you serious, dude?
I swear to God, this is another game on that just like is broken.
Is this like
It very well could be. I have no clue. RPG versus cars except with
Fired
snipers.
What?
Oh,
Nico just fell off.
This job sucks ass.
it is. It does.
Do you ever read the descriptions of the jobs that you?
Yes.
Apparently not.
Let me see which one this was. So I clicked snipers
I'm
versus
not-
cars.
okay.
So now I'm confused.
You picked snipers versus windmills.
I don't know what I'm doing here, chat. This one had the highest rating on the list. Yeah.
You bastard. Or
Fucking race blows.
here's one from 7 years ago. I missed the ramp.
So did I.
How do you? Whose fat ass took all the fucking boost?
Probably me. It still wasn't enough.
I jumped off the bike and I'm still alive.
So you apparently can just get off the bike.
No shit, really?
You know what? Oh, just fucking Alt F4, dude.
I got this shit. Oh, I overshot it.
Nico just fell.
We don't talk about that. I can literally not get enough speed.
Oh, dude! I'm not gonna count it because I bounced off the edge of the pool and landed in it.
Yeah, that's fucking better than me
Worse.
landing in a fucking empty pool.
Oh, I landed, but I ricocheted off the roof. Oh, I almost landed in the hot tub.
Oh, it is a specific pool. I see. I'm still gonna make it though. Oh, fuck. What's that
That's
noise?
too far. How am I supposed to? I cannot get, dude. I can't even get that far.
Well, your fat stole the boost.
Shut the fuck up.
Don't worry, Rico, I'm coming down with you. Where'd you go?
I'm about to land in it actually. There we go. Well, holy shit.
Oh, that was close.
Damn it. Are you fucking kidding me? I hate this game.
Wait, did Matt just run off?
The game ran off.
Yes.
Oh.
The game ran off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take care of all
I
this.
stopped walking and my character's like, no, we're going over the edge.
Shake and bake.
Accessibility feature.
We did not shake and bake. Yeah, Rico, you could have hit me. I was upside down for a second. Woo! Like that.
I ain't making that.
No.
That was close though. Hey Nico.
Hi!
I did that
Don't
wrong.
need to.
Hello, buddy.
Hey guys.
Oh,
Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey. 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 Blow 'em up. 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 Blow 'em up.
Can't.
Oh! Woo! We gotta shake and bake.
There will be no baking, nor will there be shaking.
Yes, Nico. Yes.
That's called the shake and bake.
Oh, I almost killed you. I almost killed you.
Hey Nico.
Hi!
Sorry man. I didn't mean to bump you.
You're good. I need. Oh,
What? I'm going way over. Me. Oh shit.
holy shit!
Oh, great. Now he's gonna land on your thumb. I'm dead. Cool.
You're welcome.
No!
See ya.
Oh!
Come here, Nico.
Shoot him! See? Like. Yes!
Yes.
Man, it's all up to you.
No, no, no,
Nice, nice, nice.
no, no.
Go through the trees. Go through the trees. Yeah, 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 yeah. That didn't hit me.
Dude.
Do it.
No! Blinks!
Trying to get my fucking car.
Come here, Rico.
He's not making it.
Are you sure?
Get him, Biggie.
No!
Matt, why'd you shoot?
I shot Will before he got to me.
I got one. It's all you blinks. I tried. I did my best. The good news is you have my car as a bumper if you can hit it.
Oh, you're right.
Like that.
Yep, just like that.
Oh, cool. That's awesome. Yep.
3 shots.
Whoa!
God damn. Oh, Matt.
There's
Yes,
a chance,
Matt.
blinks.
Yes, Matt. Matt, no. Matt,
Are you serious, dude?
Matt, I'm
He
coming,
literally
Matt, I'm
got
coming.
lucky
Matt, I'm
off
coming.
that hit.
Nope, not moving.